guaranteed relief of dry, cracked hands. Thanks to O'Keefe's, I got my hands back.
All right, we've got a live look at Cape Canaveral, Florida, where SpaceX is set to launch its Falcon 9 rocket for its 19th resupply mission back to the International Space Station. We're waiting for it to take off.
Yeah, let's listen in. We're just seconds away.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Engines ignition, liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Cargo Dragon, transporting critical research to enable living and working in Earth orbit and in deep space.
That is just awesome to watch.
Impressive.
Wow.
And not a cloud in the sky. Just a perfect backdrop for seeing that take off. Of course, you know, a lot of interesting things happening with this launch. Of course, they're taking it's the resupply mission, but then they're also taking like a little robot hotel up to the space station. So, because, you know, the robots, they need a place to stay too.
I guess so.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah, so great that we got a chance to see this take shape. Yesterday was the previously scheduled launch, but those upper level winds, they were just coming in a little bit too fast, so they had to scrub the launch there. Now, today, the upper level winds much, much lighter. The strongest of those winds well to the north. So now, launch taking place and looking like a successful one at this point. So yeah, really cool to see. The really even cooler part is how it returns back to Earth. Really a remarkable thing, and it's science.
Yeah, science. Wonderful and beautiful for anyone that was out there watching that, waiting for it. Man, the weather could not have been better.
No,
there.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, this is one of those things that's on the list. Things to go check out. A shuttle launch and a rocket launch.
Let's go, field trip.
All right. What's the next one?
Yeah, we'll get back to you on that. Alex and Felicia live from the SpaceX rocket launch. It has a nice little ring
I like
to
your
it.
thought process there. Put it in the universe, and it shall happen.
There we go.
All right, good times there. Fantastic launch taking place. We'll keep an eye on that. 4:30 for us as Weather Channel Live rolls on. I'm Alex Walls.
And I'm Felicia Combs. Mother Nature, she's making a slam dunk of her own this week in the lake effect snow belts in terms of snow belting